Travel is changing fast, and airlines are quietly introducing smarter systems, tighter rules, and new technology that many passengers still do not know about. Missing even one small detail could lead to delays, extra fees, or a stressful airport experience. That is why this video reveals new 7 air travel hacks you need to know before your next flight, so travelers can save time, avoid common mistakes, and make every trip smoother in 2026. Some of these hacks are already helping frequent flyers move through airports faster, while others can protect luggage, devices, and even seat choices. Before the next trip begins, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart travel updates. Secret number 7. Screenshot everything before leaving. Many travelers still rely only on airline apps, but that can become a huge problem during delays, weak airport internet, or app crashes. One of the smartest travel hacks in 2026 is taking screenshots of boarding passes, hotel bookings, passport information pages, baggage receipts, and gate numbers before arriving at the airport. Several airports are now experiencing temporary digital outages that leave passengers struggling to access important documents. A simple screenshot can save valuable time during check-in or security inspections. Frequent travelers are also storing travel documents in a separate photo album for faster access. This small habit can prevent panic during unexpected situations and helps travelers stay prepared even when technology fails at the worst possible moment. Secret number 6. Bring an empty water bottle through security. Airport food and drink prices continue rising worldwide, and many travelers spend unnecessary money after passing security checkpoints. A simple but powerful hack is carrying an empty reusable water bottle through security and filling it afterward at airport hydration stations. More international airports are installing filtered water refill stations in 2026, making this easier than ever. Staying hydrated during flights can reduce fatigue, headaches, and jet lag, especially on long-haul trips. Some travelers even use insulated bottles to keep water cold throughout the journey. Security usually allows empty bottles, but full bottles often get confiscated before screening. This small travel trick not only saves money, but also makes long airport waits far more comfortable for passengers. Secret number 5. Use airline seat maps before check-in opens. Most passengers wait until check-in to select seats, but experienced travelers monitor airline seat maps days before departure. Many airlines quietly release better seats closer to flight time, especially aisle and window seats that were previously blocked. Checking the seat map regularly can improve the chances of getting extra legroom or avoiding crowded sections without paying additional fees. Some travelers also avoid seats near lavatories, galley areas, or crying baby zones by studying aircraft layouts early. Timing matters because airlines frequently adjust seating arrangements before departure. Travelers who stay alert often secure better positions before other passengers even notice available changes. These small seat selection strategies can make a huge difference during long or uncomfortable flights. Secret number 4. Wear a lightweight jacket with extra pockets. Experienced travelers are now using lightweight travel jackets to avoid carry-on problems at busy airports. Airlines are becoming stricter about baggage limits, and some passengers are being forced to pay unexpected fees at the gate. A jacket with secure pockets can hold phones, chargers, passports, snacks, power banks, and small electronics without increasing bag weight. This trick is especially useful on budget airlines where personal item rules are heavily enforced. Some travelers even use packable jackets that fold into small pouches during the flight. Security checks also become easier because important items stay organized instead of buried inside luggage. This simple hack can reduce stress, speed up boarding, and help travelers avoid expensive baggage surprises during crowded travel seasons. Secret number 3. Check the airport terminal before booking flights. Many travelers focus only on ticket prices and flight times, but experienced flyers also check which terminal the airline uses before booking. Some airports have terminals that are much newer, faster, and easier to navigate than others. Certain terminals offer quicker security lines, more food options, better lounges, and shorter walking distances between gates. In large international airports, choosing the wrong terminal can add major stress during layovers or connections. Some low-cost airlines also use terminals located far away from the main airport area, which may require extra shuttle rides or transportation time. This small research step can make the entire airport experience smoother and help travelers avoid unnecessary delays before the trip even begins. Secret number 2. Download offline entertainment before the flight. In flight, Wi-Fi is still unreliable on many routes, and streaming services often stop working once the plane takes off. Smart travelers now download movies, TV shows, podcasts, maps, and important documents before leaving home. Long delays on the runway or unexpected flight diversions become far less frustrating when entertainment is already available offline. Some travelers even download translation apps and destination guides in case internet access becomes limited after landing. Airlines are also removing seatback screens from more aircraft to reduce costs, making personal entertainment more important than ever. Preparing offline content before departure can turn a stressful journey into a much more comfortable and enjoyable travel experience. Secret number 1. Never charge devices using random USB ports. Public USB charging stations inside airports are becoming a growing cybersecurity concern in 2026. Security experts continue warning travelers about juice jacking, where hackers may attempt to steal data or install malware through compromised charging ports. Smart travelers now carry personal power banks or USB data blockers to protect phones and tablets while charging. Wall outlets are usually considered safer than unknown USB ports. Some airports are also installing wireless charging stations, but many travelers still prefer using their own charging equipment for extra security. Losing access to banking apps, travel documents, or personal accounts during a trip can create serious problems. This simple travel habit can protect valuable information and keep devices safe throughout the journey. Modern travel is becoming more complicated every year, but smart travelers are learning simple tricks that save money, reduce stress, and avoid airport problems before they happen. These hacks may seem small, yet they can completely change the travel experience on the next flight. More useful travel tips and airline updates are coming soon, so make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning to travel in 2026.